Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Or if you are new here, hello, my name is Nadia and this is my adorable Westie Uma. It's been a while since I filmed a horizontal video, so I thought why not bring it back. If you enjoy this relaxed vibe, let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll do this more often. Today I'm taking you along for a little walk around the city. Spring is in full bloom and I can't wait to show you the beautiful sights. So grab a coffee, get comfy and let's go. Spring here is just magical. The air smells amazing and everything feels so fresh. I'm so happy to say Uma is fully recovered. But we've hit a new snack, allergies. She's been scratching her back and paws like crazy. I suspect it's her new food, because it started right after I switched her kibble. If you deal with dog allergies, drop your tips below, and if you'd like a full of how I treated video, let me know. I'm happy to share what works for us. Check out the Black Sea. See those seaweed patches? It's not everyone's favorite, but there is something wild and natural about it, don't you think?
Потом спустился, например, окунулся в водичку. Как мы делали?
Идите. Мамочка, девочка моя. Ты устала? Устала. Иди сюда. The city's really stepped up its flower game this year. These beds are everywhere, so colorful. Uma loves sniffing around them. Over the weekend there was a sport regatta by the water. Super lovely sailboats, crowds, and of course Oma photobombed my sister's pics. Typically diva behavior, right? That's all for today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If you like this casual format, give it a thumbs up. It helps me know what you enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more Uma's antics. Bye bye.